linear inequalities. Solve the following inequalities. For real x, instruction is given, we have to solve the following inequalities for real x. That means we have to solve the inequalities for x belongs to R. First one is 3x solve 3x minus 7 greater than 5x minus 1. We have to solve these inequalities for real x. You note that x belongs to R and it is strictly inequalities. So when we write solution, it will be in terms of open interval. If inequality is slack inequalities, then it will be in terms of closed interval. So we have given 3x minus 7 greater than 5x minus 1. Therefore, transfer this term and minus 1 we transfer this side. So when we transfer the term will change the sign. So minus 1 this side, it will become plus 1. So 1 minus 7 greater than 5x minus 3x. So simplifying this one, you note that we have transferred 3x on right hand side, so sign is changed, plus will become minus. Minus 1 we have changed left hand side, so again it will change the sign, so it will become plus 1. So 1 minus 7, that is minus 6 greater than 5x minus 3x, 2x. So divide by 2. Since 2 is positive, so inequality will not change. So minus 6 by 2 greater than x. That is minus 3 greater than x. Now again you note that if we write a greater than b, or on the same time we can say that b is less than a, it is one of the same. Either you say that a is greater than b, or on the same time one can say that b is less than a. This is because of x is the variable, so we have to get values for x. So same can be written as x is less than minus 3. X is less than minus 3, and therefore solution set is open interval minus infinity to minus 3. This is the solution set. Next example. Solve for real x. 3 into x minus 1 less than or equal to 2 into x minus 3. Solution. We have given 3 into x minus 1 less than or equal to 2 into x minus 3. So first we expand the bracket, or we can say that open the bracket. So from this 3 into x, 3x, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, less than or equal to 2 into x, 2x, 2 into minus 3, so minus 6. Now add both side minus 2x, or we transfer this term, it is one of the same. So either you use additive inverse of 2x, or we transfer the term 2x. So 3x minus 2x, on the same time we transfer this term right hand side, so it will change the sign. 3 minus 6, 2x right hand side to left hand side, so sign is changed. 3x minus 2x, minus 3 transform on right hand side, or you can use word using additive inverse of minus 3, that is add plus 3 both the side. Now simplification is 3x minus 2x, x less than or equal to minus 3, x is less than or equal to minus 3. Now inequality is slack inequality, so solution set is, therefore solution set is, say minus 3, this is minus 3, if we denote on real line, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, sorry, minus 3, minus 2, this is minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and so on up to minus infinity. So solution set is open interval minus infinity. Here inequality is slack inequality, so on this side we have to write close interval. So solution set is open interval minus infinity to close interval minus 3. This is the solution set. Next example, solve 3 into bracket 2 minus x greater than or equal to 2 into 1 minus x. So first we simplify this thing. Solution, we have given 3 into bracket 2 minus x greater than or equal to 2 into 1 minus x. So first we simplify this thing. 3 into 2, that is 6, minus 3 into x, 3x, greater than or equal to 2 into 1, 2, minus 2x. Just open the bracket, simplify. Now therefore transfer this term, so this is 6 greater than or equal to 2 minus 2x plus 3x. When we transfer minus 3x right hand side, it will change the sign, so it will become plus 3x, or you can use word using additive inverse of minus 3x, that is add both side plus 3x. Now transfer this to left hand side, so it will change sign, so 6 minus 2 greater than or equal to 3x minus 2x, 3x minus 2x, that is 3x minus 2x, that is x. So 6 minus 2, that is 4 greater than or equal to x. Again you note this thing, either we write a greater than or equal to b, or same can be written as b less than or equal to a, that is x less than or equal to 4, and therefore solution set is minus infinity to minus infinity to close interval plus 4. So if we want to include 4, then we have to put it on dark circle to denote this on a real line. 4x is less than or equal to 4. 4, 3, 2 and so on. This side it will be minus infinity. And solution portion we have to denote it by bold line. So if we denote graphically, then we can denote like this. Next, fourth one, solve x plus x by 2 plus x by 3 less than 11. Solve this one for real x. So solution, we have given x plus x by 2 plus x by 3 less than 11. You take LCM of 2 and 3, that is 6. So we multiply it throughout by 6. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So we multiplied both sides by 6. So 6 into x plus x by 2 plus x by 3 less than 11 into 6, that is 66. Now we simplify this one. So this is 6x, 6 into x, 6 into x by 2, so 2 3s are 6, so 3x, 3 2s are 6, so this is 2x less than or equal, less than 66. Therefore 6 plus 3, 9 plus 2, 11x is less than 66. Divide by 11, since it is positive, so inequality will remain unchanged. So x less than 66 by 11, that is x less than 6. So to omit 6, we use hollow circle for this one. If you want to include 6, then you have to put a dark circle. 6, 5, 4, etc. This side it will tend to minus infinity, and therefore solution set is minus infinity to 6. Since inequality is strict inequality, So we have to put open interval. If x less than or equal to 6, then in that case solution is open interval minus infinity to close interval. If it is less than or equal to 6, then it will be a close interval 6. Next one, solve for real x by 3 greater than x by 2 plus 1. Again, first you take LCM of 3 and 2, which is 6. LCM of 3 and 2, it is 6. So we will multiply both sides by 6. So let us solve it for real x. X by 3 greater than x by 2 plus 1. Therefore, now LCM of 3 and 2, which is 6, so multiplied both sides by 6. 6 into x by 3 greater than 6 into x by 2 plus 1. We have multiplied both sides by 6. Now simplification, 3 2s are 6, so 2x greater than 6x, 6, 3 2s are 6, so 2x greater than 2 3s are 6, so 3x plus 6 into 1. Just simplification. Multiplied both sides by 6 and simplify it. So 2x greater than 6 into x by 2, that is 3x plus 6. Now transfer this term, or you can say that use additive inverse. We add both sides minus 2x. So 2x minus 2x, 3x minus 2x plus 6. Either you can say that transfer 2x, or we have used additive inverse of plus 2x. Now simplification is 0, 3x minus 2x, x plus 6. Add both sides minus 6. So minus 6 greater than x plus 6 minus 6, or same can be written as minus 6 greater than x. So again, you note that either we say a greater than b, or same can be written as b less than a. So this can be written as x less than minus 6. Again, inequality is strict inequality, and therefore solution set is open interval minus infinity to minus 6, open interval. You note that here it is strictly inequality, so we have written open interval. If it is slack inequality, x less than or equal to minus 6, then answer is open interval minus infinity to close interval minus 6. Next one, solve three into bracket x minus 2 upon 5 less than or equal to 5 into 2 minus x upon 3. solution. So first we simplify this thing. We have given three into x minus 2 upon 5 into 2 minus x by 3. We can take cross multiplication if denominator is positive. So take 3 this side and 5 this side. So multiplied this by here. So 3 into 3, 9 into x minus 2. This 5 it will be here. 5 into 5, 25 less than 2 minus x. Or LCM of 3 and 5, it is 15. So multiplied both side by 15. So 15 into 3 by 5 x minus 2, 15 into 5 by 3 into 2 minus x. So 3 into 3, 9 into x minus 2 less than or equal to 3 5s are 15, 5 into 5, 25 into 2 minus x. So you will get same thing. Now we simplify. 9x, 9 into 2, 18, 25 into 2, 50, minus 25x. We transfer this term, so minus will become plus. So 9x plus 25x less than or equal to, we transfer minus 18 right hand side. So there will be a change in the sign, so minus will become plus. So plus 18, again we simplify, 34x, 9x plus 25x, so 34x less than or equal to 68, 50 plus 18, divide by 34 which is positive, so inequality will remain unchanged, x less than or equal to 68 by 34, and therefore x less than or equal to 2, and therefore solution set is, therefore solution set is open interval minus infinity to, since it is slack inequality, close interval minus 2. We solve next one. Solve 1/2 into bracket 3x minus 3x by 5 plus 4 greater than or equal to 1 by 3 into x minus 6. Solution. We have given 1/2 into bracket 3x by 5 plus 4 1 by 3 x minus 6. Now we simplify. First, here you can take 5 as LCM. So 1/2 into bracket 5 into 4 20 upon 5. Left hand side we have taken 5 as LCM. 5 into 4 20 greater than or equal to, this is nothing but x minus 6 by 3. Now 5 into 2, so this is 3x plus 20 upon 10. 5 into 2 10, x minus 6 by 3. Since both the denominator is positive, so we can take cross multiplication. So, or you can say that LCM of 3 and 10, LCM of 3 and 10, it is 30. So we multiplied both sides by 30. Therefore 30 into 3x plus 20 upon 10, 30 into x minus 6 by 3. Multiplied both sides by 30. Now we simplify. This is 3. This will be 10. So 3 into 3x, 9x, 3 into 20, 60, 10x minus 10 into 6. Just you expand the bracket or simplify this thing. Now transfer minus 60 this side and 9x this side. So there will be a change in the sign. So minus 60 when we transfer left hand side, it will be a plus 60. So 60 plus 60, 10x plus 9x when we transfer, it will be a minus. So 120, 60 plus 60, 120 greater than or equal to 10x minus 9x, x. Again you note that either we write a greater than or equal to b, or we can write b less than or equal to a. So same can be written as x less than or equal to 120, and therefore solution set is, therefore solution set is minus infinity to, you can note that inequality is slack inequality, so there will be a close interval 120, close interval 120. So open minus infinity to close interval 120. This is the solution set. Next one, solve 2 into 2x plus 3 minus 10 less than 6 into x minus 2. Solution. first we simplify this inequality. We have given 2 into bracket 2x plus 3 minus 10 less than 6 into x minus 2. Therefore, 2 into 2 4x, 2 into 3 6 minus 10, just you expand the bracket, simplification. This is 6 into x, 6x, 6 into minus 2, so minus 12. Again we simplify. This is 4x plus 6 minus 10 minus 4, 6x minus 12. Now we transfer minus 12 this side, so it will be a plus 12, and when we transfer plus 4x on right hand side, it will change the sign, so it will become minus. So minus 12 left hand side, so plus 12 minus 4, therefore 12 minus 4, 6x and transfer plus 4x right hand side, so will become minus. Now simplification is 12 minus 4, 8 less than or equal to 6x minus 4x, 2x. So divide throughout by 2, so 4, because 8 by 2, we write one more step, 8 by 2, therefore 4 less than or equal to x. Again you note that either we write a less than or equal to b, a less than or equal to b, or b greater than or equal to a, it is one of the same. So same can be written as x greater than or equal to 4. So x greater than or equal to 4, here we use slack inequality. For practice you can use strict inequality, and therefore solution set is close 4 to infinity. And in the case of, if we use this inequality, 2 into 2x plus 3 minus 10, if you use strict inequality, 6 into x minus 2, then solution will be open interval. Solution in that case, solution will be open interval 4 to plus infinity.